would miss it.
Yeah, you're right about that. Glad I listened to your advice.
Well done. Pull back the drones.
It was worth it.
You got it. I'm in fire.
All right, I'm gonna dock up and then head with my capsule to 3i and grab my Noctis.
Brilliant, thank you. So we're gonna stay, guys. Can you stay a little bit longer just to make sure that Noctis is not gonna be engaged?
Sure thing. You can escort it to EF.
I know one Noctis should be enough, and we have storage. We have station here if cargo is full.
I left 3 hammerheads, but I'll just skip them with my Noctis.
Yeah, guys. Bombers are orbit and non-bombers cloak. Sorry, non-bombers are orbit, please. Around the wreck.